Have you ever wondered why millions of people work harder than ever before, yet every morning they wake up early, spend hours at work, deal with stress. At the end of the month, after paying rent, groceries, transportation bills, and other, then the same cycle repeats again. It makes you ask an important question. If hard work is the key to success, why are so many hardworking people still living? The truth is that the financial world has changed dramatically over years ago. A single income could comfortably support an entire family. Today, in many countries, even two full-time incomes often. The cost of housing has increased much faster than salaries. Food prices. While incomes have grown slowly, the cost of living has grown much faster. But rising prices are only part of the problem. The bigger issue is, imagine receiving a salary increase. Instead of saving, many people they buy a newer car, move into a larger apartment, purchase the latest, subscribe to more streaming services, eat out more often, and spend more on luxury. The result is that despite earning more money than ever before, they still feel broke. Doctors, lawyers, and engineers earning six-figure salaries still struggle because at the same time, ordinary teachers or office workers quietly become millionaires. Wealth isn't built by how much you earn. It is built by how much you keep and how wide. The wealthy follow a different strategy. Instead of buying liabilities first, an asset is anything that puts money into your pocket, such as stocks or real estate. While most people spend first and invest later, wealthy people reverse the process. They invest first and spend what remains. This creates a powerful cycle. Another major reason people stay poor is debt. Credit cards and loans make it. Many people spend years paying for things that have already lost most of their value. Social media has also made the problem worse. Influencers showing luxury. This creates pressure to keep up, even when it means spending money they cannot afford. Many people compare their everyday life with someone else's carefully edited highlight, leading to unnecessary purchases that provide only temporary happiness but long-term. If you truly want to escape the wealth trap, the solution is surprisingly simple. First, always pay yourself before paying anyone else by automatic. Third, invest consistently, even if it's a small amount every month. Fourth, continue improving your skills so your income can grow over time. Finally, build multiple sources of income instead of relying entirely on. These habits may seem small today, but over many years they create enormous financial. You must also make your money work harder for you. Wealth isn't built overnight. Every dollar you save and every investment you make brings you closer to financial freedom. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Every week, we explore powerful ideas about money that can change your future.